For some people, muscle injuries and imbalances become a natural part of training. When you train hard and frequently, you can make mistakes. You don't get enough sleep, you don't eat enough, you misgroove a rep, you go too hard, and you hurt yourself. This is a natural part of strength training, and you shouldn't beat yourself up about it too much. The exercise I'm doing here is called a hack squat. This allows me to target my quads more than a barbell squat because I don't have to focus as much on bracing my stabilizer muscles, and it also forces me to have a neutral movement pattern, cranking out any muscle imbalances I have in a squat. Now, this doesn't mean you should stay away from barbell lifts completely, but you do need to focus on doing them with good form and not your ego. Don't use momentum to get the rep up. For the overhead press, pretend that you have a baseball cap on your head that you're trying to push off, and don't flare your ribs to the sky. Those are some good cues. As important it is to train strength, it's also really important to train mobility and be able to use that strength in a full range of motion. This exercise here is called Skin the Cat. It's all about shoulder health and mobility and shoulder strength, and it also works your grip strength and core strength. Now, you may look a bit goofy doing these, but I think you look pretty cool. You might get some judgy stares, and they're not easy to do. You can progress to a back lever and a front lever with this exercise. This is a one-arm dumbbell McGill press. It's as much as a chest exercise as it is a core exercise and a stabilizer exercise. This allows you to work one side of your body, try to do your stronger side first, and then go to your weaker side. Do as much as you can, and then match the amount of reps after a little bit of a pause. That way you train both sides equally in terms of their strength, and you get the same volume in. I usually superset that with a one-arm row. You can see that I'm completely in control of the weight. There's no ego going on, and if you slowly and controllingly, if that's a verb, controllingly manipulate the weight, you will get results and you won't hurt yourself. I do my right side first because I'm weaker on my left side and I tore my bicep on my left side. While this isn't a real sled, this nifty machine helps me replicate it. The sled has become one of my favorite exercises. It's a great tool for increasing athletic performance and power. A good standard is half your body weight for 5 minutes. That was just a little sprint. It's always important to stretch and foam roll. Remember, dynamic stretching for dynamic movements, not static. That actually decreases your power output. When the muscles are tight and taut, you're more likely to get injured. So always warm up, always roll out, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions at all, even silly ones, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you.